Hello Nama Bengaluru. Today Hogar is at Koramangala to explore some of the most happening party places here. We started our evening at Tipsy Bull Bar and Pub. The striking metal-made Tipsy Bull right at the entrance sets the tone, giving you a warm welcome. Now what makes this pub a standout, you ask? It's the very first stock exchange themed bar in Bengaluru. Tipsy Bull allows you to bid for their drinks at the lowest prices. Sports enthusiasts will love the giant projector screen for watching live matches. The three-floor wonder Tipsy Bull has a modern design aesthetic with contemporary interiors. Guests are welcomed by neon and retro lights, fun decor elements like note replicas, lively artworks and beautifully arranged bar counter, all contributing to its rich and unique ambience. Every Friday, Tipsy Bull hosts a Bollywood-themed night complete with live music. While the food is satisfactory and the staff's hospitality is commendable, there may be occasions when the venue becomes excessively crowded. At a total of 619 rupees, we ordered Shetty's Chicken Ghee Roast, the classic Mangalore-style chicken, generously infused with rich ghee and just the right blend of spices, leaving you longing for a refreshing beverage. And we paired it with Exotica, a tasty mocktail with hints of orange, lemon and watermelon. Next up, we're going to Beehive Pub, known for great food, drinks and a buzzing atmosphere. Picture a cozy pub with soft lighting that makes you feel all warm and fuzzy inside. It's designed to look like a beehive, with old brick walls and plenty of space to dance. Plus, they've got a cool trivia wall to keep you busy while you wait for your drinks. It's the perfect spot to relax and have fun with friends. We had a delightful surprise, with the bartender entertaining us with his extraordinary flair bartending skills. Beehive features a unique fusion of culinary delights from North Indian, Chinese, continental and Mangalorean cuisines, offering a diverse and flavor-filled dining experience. We decided to keep it light on our stomachs, but it was quite heavy on our pockets, with the total cost coming to 1,212 for the two vegetarian starters, the delightful paneer rubaiyat and mushroom olive crostini, an Italian dish. For drinks, we tried a cocktail called a Passionate Affair. It was a mix of fresh fruit flavors, including raspberry syrup, berry juice and a hint of effervescence. Next, we are headed to Hungry Hippie. The place has a relaxed Greek-style decor with a beautiful and pleasing white and green color theme. The laid-back ambience of bohemian chic at Hungry Hippie was immersive. With its varied mix-and-match furniture, fun wall art and cozy nooks inviting you to unwind, it's the perfect destination for those seeking a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere to socialize with friends. Whether you're craving a casual hangout or a lively gathering, Hungry Hippie does promise an unforgettable experience. They have a collection of fun card games like Uno to make sure the guests have a great time while hanging out in groups. However, the volume of the music can occasionally become excessively loud. For 761 rupees, to begin our meal, we indulged in the fish tikka featuring juicy pieces of fish marinated in aromatic spices. Complementing our appetizer, we savoured the refreshing mango chili mojito, blending the sweet tang of ripe mangoes with a subtle kick of chili and the strong flavor of mint leaves. Our next stop is Toka, one of the most happening pubs around. Drink, dine and dance is their tagline and they stand by it. They surely know how to throw the best parties. With everyday happy hours offering 50% off till 7 pm and gigs going on every night, they surely know how to pull in the crowd. You step inside and it's super cozy with warm lights and there is a lot of metal decor and funky street art. It's like walking into a cool artsy hangout. Toka grabs your attention right away with its hip style and lively atmosphere. What makes Toka stand out is that they have free entry that is open to all, a feature not found in every pub. Offering both pub and restaurant spaces, it's an ideal destination for socializing and enjoying family time in the bar and restaurant above. We ordered the peri peri cottage cheese pizza, a delightful combination of bold peri peri flavors and the creamy richness of cottage cheese. Despite the total pricing of 875 rupees, it was not worth the quantity but worth the taste. To complement the delicious bites, we enjoyed the refreshing Caribbean sunset cocktail. Next is our personal favorite, 1522, the rock and roll inspired pub. The interior combines modern elegance with urban style. This is my Sheldon's Corner and I would just visit 1522 to sit on these chairs. The outdoor space features a vertical garden, providing a charming atmosphere for evening drinks. The inside is decked up with vintage decor. Their commitment to rock and roll goes well beyond their music and decors. They also have multiple signature cocktails like Smoke on Water, Roadhouse Blues that reflect their love and commitment to the genre. 1522 exclusively utilizes fresh herbs to craft its captivating cocktail menu, infusing each drink with a distinctive flavor unattainable through syrup-based mixes. They also offer a selection of delicious desserts. For 738 rupees, we indulged in chicken cheese corn balls, munching on delightful combination of tender chicken, creamy cheese and sweet corn, a go-to choice for cheesy snack enthusiasts. In this comfy place, we picked the comforting pina colada, a coconut mix with vodka. The next hotspot is The Fix, the hip and happening party place. It's a personal favorite to unwind and let one's foot loose. They call themselves the High Energy Bar. Fix's beating heart is its lively dance floor, illuminating by lights synced to the music's beat. The roomy dance floor invites you to showcase your inner dancer. With modern interiors, stylish furniture, pleasant lighting and tasteful decor, The Fix is a no-brainer when it comes to having a great time. They've even got this awesome private party lounge upstairs that you can book for your crew. And when it comes to food and drinks, they're not messing around. We tried the Melon Lake Mocktail, a crisp and refreshing fusion of watermelon, honeydew and cantaloupe, crafting a lovely mix of melon flavors, priced at 300 rupees. The Happy Brew Pub is the final destination on our itinerary. Stepping inside, you'll discover a spacious interior with a wide variety of seating options. You can opt for the open area with its casual setup of industrial chairs or sink into cozy nooks with plush cushions. The walls are adorned with artfully done paintings and posters, each adding to the pub's unique charm. Happy Brew is known for its live music scene. It usually features live performances by talented artists and karaoke nights as well. Overall, it's a chilled out spot to unwind with good music, beer, and nibbles such as fries, kebabs, bacons, and baos. Only pro tip from my end is that you must reach early and call dibs on the best seats there, as it could get really crowded. For 560 rupees, we chose a simple corn chili pepper dish, a light starter. Then we refreshed ourselves with a melon cooler. If you're looking for a great party spot, Koramangala will never fail to disappoint. Share your favorite party place in the comments. Until next time, enjoy the party. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty content.